Hey, this is Jim Troth, Habitation Investigation, Home Inspections in Ohio.com. Got something interesting here. Here we have a air conditioning unit, the condenser, carrier. However, you come back around here, the plate that doesn't really fit right. Here it says it's a Lennox. So at some point, somebody looks like they didn't want to admit how old this unit is, which I believe is probably a carrier unit. So in order to make it look newer than it actually is, they took this data plate and put it on because it has probably a newer age than what it actually is. So anyway, it has to be ethics first, everybody. This honestly is not a somebody's being a shyster on that and trying. All right, take care. Bye-bye.